Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Rick with Land Air Sea, and I'm here today to talk about our latest tracking device, the 54 Real-Time Tracker. The 54 is the most versatile GPS tracking device that we have ever created. It can pinpoint location and speed with incredible accuracy, so you can keep track of your assets, vehicles, or any other object that you need to keep track of. It's also small enough to put in someone's purse, jacket, or pocket. The 54 was designed and manufactured right here in the United States. Assembly is done using our state-of-the-art laser welding technology. This process seals the device and makes it completely waterproof. Battery life has also been significantly improved on this new 54 design. The life of the battery on a single charge varies with the amount of movement, but on an average you will get anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks on a single charge. But like I said, it all depends on how much movement and how often you want the 54 to update its location. If you're using the 54 on a vehicle, there's many places you can put it. In the glove box, under the seat, in the rear pocket of the seats, the center console, just about anywhere. If you don't have access to the inside of the vehicle, another benefit of the 54 is the powerful built-in magnet. This allows you to place the 54 on the exterior of the car, including underneath it. To show you how strong this magnet is, this stainless steel stand weighs 10 pounds. And as you can see, the 54 can easily pick it up. And because it's completely waterproof, you don't have to worry about rain, sleet, or snow damaging your device. Tracking the 54 is easy using the Land Air Sea SilverCloud App. You simply log in and instantly see the location of the 54. The blue dot shows you your current location so you can see where you are in relationship to where the 54 is. When the subject is moving, you will also see it moving along the map with location updates as fast as every 3 seconds. You can touch the icon to get additional information, like when the subject is stopped at a particular location, the address of that location, and the battery life percentage on the 54. When you select the icon, you also have access to some really cool features: ShareSpot, InstaFence, and History. ShareSpot will allow you to text or email the real-time tracking to somebody else, so they can begin instantly tracking the 54 with their phone. When the recipient receives the ShareSpot, they can just click on the link and they can view the real-time tracking of the 54. InstaFence is also a really cool feature. If the 54 is stopped somewhere, InstaFence will send a notification to your phone or your smartwatch to let you know when the 54 is on the move. You can also select History to get a historical playback from the past few days. With its ultra-compact, waterproof design, built-in magnet, and long battery life, the 54's tracking possibilities are limitless. Anything the 54 can fit inside or attach to can be tracked. Keep the device in your vehicle, purse, or luggage, and you'll be able to locate your property in the event of a theft. If you want to make sure your child is getting to school safely, you can put the device inside their backpack or their jacket pocket, and you will receive notifications when they arrive safely at their destination. And how about your teen driver? Simply hide the 54 inside or attach underneath their vehicle to see exactly where they're sneaking off to at night. And if you suspect your partner of cheating, the 54 will tell all. So, I hope this video provided some helpful information to convince you that the 54, with all its unique features and design, is the right product for you. Thanks for watching.
Track anything in real time with the precision performance of the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker from SpyTech. This unit is super discreet with a small body size of only 2 inches, so it fits almost anywhere. Plus, it packs a 2-week battery life for less charging hassle. Attach it to a person, vehicle, or object and start tracking immediately from your phone or computer. And pair it with the M2 waterproof case for easy magnetic deployment on cars or out in the elements. With SpyTech's GPS tracking platform, you can monitor the activity of your tracker in real time, set up alerts, or even get custom reports summarizing the data. Log in from anywhere to use our advanced geo-tracking technology in a sleek, easy-to-use interface. There are no setup fees or monthly contracts, so just use it as you need it. Get to tracking with the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker, only from SpyTech.
Hello, today I'm going to be showing you the tutorial for how to set up the AbleGrid GPS tracker. First things first, you're going to need your tracker. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing how to use the 4G LTE GPS tracker, but there are many different types of trackers that AbleGrid sells, including the LTE-M and the LTE-M LOT GPS trackers. There are many more different versions that AbleGrid sells, but we are going to be showing this version right here. The setup is pretty much the same for whatever tracker you use, so don't worry. In this package, there are many things. You're going to have your instructions, a SIM card, and the tracker itself. Also, you're going to want to have a laptop and phone with you at all times to be able to do the online setups.
Click on the tracker and use the different settings available. You can click on the fence to start the geofence setup, and you can choose how many miles you want the radius to be. You can click on the information button to check all the information about your tracker. And you can click on the settings button to choose the update timing. It can either be on the default mode that you choose, or it can be on a long standby mode, which is sending the location once a day. If you choose every few seconds, you can choose how many seconds you want it to update with. Now you're ready to use the tracker and view where you are at all times.
Once you've finished all the online setup, we're ready to use the actual tracker device. There are two different ports in the device. The longer one is for the SIM card. Make sure to break off the plastic pieces of the SIM card until it's the right size to fit in the slot. Then push it in. Right here, you'll see a blinking light. When it's blinking blue, it's setting up the LTE, and when it's blinking light green, it's setting up the GPS. Once it stops blinking, it's all ready to start tracking. This port right here is for charging. The device comes with a charger, and you can use an adapter just like you would use for a phone charger to charge the tracker. The tracker's battery lasts for a very long time, so you will not have to charge it regularly. So, now that you've put this in, and it's all completely charged up, you're ready to go onto the app and look at the device. Now that you're done watching the tutorial, you should completely understand how to set up your AbleGrid GPS tracker, whether it's the 4G LTE, the LTE-M, or whatever other model you have from AbleGrid. The setup is pretty easy and does not take that much time, and I hope that you found it pretty simple. If you have any concerns, there is an instruction manual inside the box in this black sleeve that has all of the detailed instructions of how to set it up. Otherwise, you're all set up and ready to use the product as much as you like. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial, and I hope you were able to learn from it.
Well, how many is this hat? I'm going down the secretly rooms in your house. Look, they've say he's not in crops. And my family face in your shirt. So they've no video family feed. Now, that's deeps, it's these. Look, they've been asking it now for no use. Still the deeps, but it's so funny. Was now for this guy ropes or net. Look, they've been asking it. They're all letting it use. It's not fleas, but it's secret. Either. I said, we're not yours to know. Val says, guys, funny. Yours to know, I'm going to find me. Your cast tapes, and the cast seats, because you're right now for brisket. Even she's going to be in your stem, you pastor was so serious, but you just was out of the theory. We can go a last more frame of 43 in the room with the stem, maybe either. You're not just asking it. You're right with this kind of say it can have in their house itself. Oh, it's not eating it. Well, there's your house. Like this kind of name, it's not in the looking at Graham of Thrones, our wolf, say her house don't end crops. And he's no frozen it. I did you for no it's how long what was looking at see it and I'm with the wrong because they're not in the he make your house say he's your voice Het is pas wel maar de doen. Heel mijn familie is in je shirt. Look even broke van de voem in je staan. En misschien ga je naar de. Als we ons ook even aan mijn schicht willen naar de dus bij mij is maar een krops in de room. Zo gaat het ook monster die is niet. De office in een ernstige bezet.